Cameraman here, folks. We got stuntman, very sick. Hold on, the cops are behind us. Hold on a second.
Oh, the cops are really behind
Yeah, no, don't look. You got to play it the right way.
They don't care.
Are you sure?
They're there, but I don't think they care. They are there. The cops are behind us.
You're looking at them.
It's it's in NYPD, Mexico.
Let me see something. Hold on.
Yorkshire Police Department.
Can you fucking believe this? Kind of kills the mood a little bit. Let me
Explain
pause
what's
it.
going
Should I
on.
pause it?
No, I got to tell my story. People, I just got out of the hospital.
Guys, it was hilarious. He calls me up 4 in the morning. I'm like, holy shit, fucking 4. When you get a call 4 in the morning, it could be a problem. He's like, you're not gonna believe this. I was in the hospital. I got my esophagus. Now you tell your version. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Monday night, I went to bed around 11:30, very sick. 1 o'clock in the morning, I woke up
It was hilarious.
with a heavy case of vomiting. Apparently, I had a stomach virus. The stomach virus spread to all over the place.
It was in his
It was
bones.
in my bones. I had virus bones.
He had stage 4 stomach virus.
Okay. I said to
Unbelievable.
myself, let me go puke this out. I go to the bathroom for an hour and a half. I'm retching and puking to the point there's only bile left. You know that nasty bile taste? And I'm retching because I'm so manly and I have so much strength. I'm retching so hard that I supposedly perforated my esophagus, right? So then, after retching and going for an hour and a half, all manly like.
Okay, pause. What do you think Costanza is going to do with this information?
First of all,
What is Costanza?
I was watching Costanza play golf on the computer earlier, I think yesterday or the day before. He sucks, like everything else that he does. But so anyways, so I'm throwing up. So then all of a sudden, I'm getting a sensation in my throat, like as if I'm choking, like I'm having an anaphylactic shock, like I'm going to choke out, pass out, and tap out, and die. Right? So I go to myself, I look at myself in the mirror, I go,
Hold on, I just want to get them in the
Stuntman?
background. We ain't lying. Let me zoom it in. Hold on.
it's the NYPD.
They're like sitting on us.
It's the NYPD, the Mexican Yorkshire Police Department. All right, so anyways, so then I go, I'm choking, I'm dying, I'm choking. Now, I don't know what's going on. I said, let me take myself to the hospital. My kids are all sleeping. Nobody gives a shit anyways, as long as I pay the bills and everyone's in fancy shit, right? So then I get myself to the hospital, I sit down, and I got this sensation going on in my throat. And I don't want dumb comments, because I have a friend of mine, and you know who you are, going, what was in your throat that you know? I'm like, all right, whatever.
Yeah,
I go into the
a lot
hospital.
of people were wondering
they're like,
that.
what's
At
going
4
on?
in the morning.
So I go to the hospital.
Tell your story.
I go to the hospital, and they tell me, they go, well, what happened? So I explain, and the lady's looking at me. She's like, yeah, I think I heard of something like that. So they said, why don't you go in for an X-ray? It's raining, by the way. They said, why don't you go in for an X-ray? I said, well, you're suggesting what I want to do? You just take me in for an X-ray if that's what you think is necessary and appropriate, right? So I go in for an X-ray. They do all the X-rays all over the place, and they come out and they tell me, it looks like you have Boerhaave syndrome. Look it up, everybody. Boerhaave.
And
Boerhaave
everyone,
syndrome.
listen.
Boerhaave syndrome means that it's very common if someone as manly as I am is retching and throwing up, and then you could have a backdraft that goes on, and the backdraft causes pressure, and you can explode out.
Could you pause for a second?
You can explode out your esophagus.
And they also told him, they actually told me and his wife, they didn't tell him because I don't know if he'd be able to handle it. He has LIS.
Yeah,
A bad case of LIS.
I have LIS
Look it up.
as well.
LIS is called low intelligence syndrome. He has low intelligence syndrome.
Yeah,
LIS,
I have a
folks.
bad case of LIS, and I have the other thing. So, and then of course they also say, well, but I actually didn't perforate my esophagus. I had an injured esophagus.
All right, I think they just left. They just passed us. They
Okay.
went behind
The
you. So
federales
you don't have
just left.
to. You don't have to play it off
So
anymore.
now
with your
they
stupid
said
story.
one of the main
It's actually
things
a
they
true
go,
story.
take it easy. You know, don't talk too much. Don't yell or nothing like that.
Oh.
So now that I'm getting older,
See, that's where the LIS kicks in, because you gotta have LIS to scream with a bruised esophagus. Hold on, I'm getting water all over my
anyways, so I said to myself, I said, you know what? The fact that this could have took my life. Go look it up.
Hold on, I gotta clean off the screen.
There's a high fatality rate. There's actually, I swear to God, a high mortality.
Man?
I might have injured my esophagus again.
He probably
Feel my
did.
esophagus.
You know what the
esophagus.
funny thing is, and this isn't even a joke. Every time he eats a banana,
I get on.
you gotta chew the banana. You don't swallow it whole.
All right, listen,
folks. We have here now. It's a look at the clock.
Listen,
on this thing.
supposedly, hold on. Supposedly,
if you hit any buttons, I'll kill you.
Supposedly, this is a 19,000 mile. Now,
it's almost clicking 20,000 miles, folks.
Now, this is an 89. This car,
no,
right?
It's a 90. You idiot! This car's a no. It's a look at the year. I got the title. It's even titled up. You know what the guy told us? He said it's a good car for going to the liquor store, and stuff like that. That's what he said. That's what he told us.
Listen, so the fact that I almost got taken out by vomiting, I'm telling you right now, whenever you guys have to vomit, and let me tell you, this channel gives you a lot of stuff. Whenever you have to vomit, try not to vomit. Don't exert yourself too much, because you'll end up what I had. You'll end up in a hospital, and you'll have a bad your esophagus. Because honestly, I'm not going to be singing anymore in the pubs.
No, definitely not. Now, folks, we have a lot of good stuff. We're gonna do this motor in. We're gonna blow up
Since this
this
is a
motor.
19,000 mile.
All right, let me pause this. I gotta open up some stuff. Hold on. All right, folks. It's on.
Right,
we're gonna listen.
Not on.
What?
Car's not on.
I shut the car. It's
Okay.
because it's puts oil. I sprayed my face with
Right,
oil.
listen to me. Listen. I had a stomach virus.
They know already.
I perforated my. I almost perforated my esophagus.
I put there's a whole gallon of paint. Pour it in there. Let's get this party started.
I may catch ammonia. It's like not good. Trust me, it's not good.
He's gonna catch ammonia, folks. Listen, you might have to hold that because it's gonna. Hold on, let me help you out. Yeah, for Christ's sakes.
Yeah, hold it for me.
Go.
Hold it for me, cameraman.
You see, now
I
you
just hurt my esophagus again.
You heard his esophagus.
I just hurt my esophagus again.
He's not even
so
looking.
So 19,000. Scotty Kilmer, I hope you're watching. You big Toyota, half a freaking pancake.
Hold on. Don't
look at the ripples of that, by the way.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Look at the ripples.
That really is.
No, we like Scotty Kilmer. Look at those ripples, by the way.
Hold on.
Looks like art.
Where's it going? Oh my goodness. Why is it coming out like that? We're losing our touch.
If it's got 19,000 miles, God bless. I mean, listen, it could have 19,000 miles. The guy Hector that we bought it from said he only used it to go to the liquor store, and the liquor store was like down the block.
Yeah, he said it's good to go to the liquor store.
Yeah,
all right,
it was good to
listen
go to
to
the
me.
liquor store.
Start it up. I'm standing back because that's going to go flying. It's going to get ugly, folks. Hold on, I'll get behind the pole. Get your timers ready. No way. No.
You know what I like?
Get over here. Whoa, look, it's shooting paint, man. Be careful. Did the motor blow? No, it didn't. What did you... What?
I'm dead serious. If I get sick, it's not good. All right, listen, I'm just gonna pour it in. I can do it myself.
All right, go ahead.
We just pour this in. This is rainy day here in Mexico, and everybody says it never rains in Mexico. I think it only rained like 2 or 3 times in the last year or so.
All right, rev it up. Oh boy, folks. We used to film all the time in the rain.
No rev limiter.
I know. No rev limiter at all. Standing back. My whole boom's getting covered in paint. jugular. Oh. Wow. These Toyotas are hard to kill. We may have to give this to Junkman to put on the rack and sell. I mean, who cares about stuntman? I might be getting pneumonia out here. What's going on? Oh, wait. You know what? I just bought fire extinguishers. Oh, look at my booms. Yeah, hold this. Hold this. Don't hit me.
I'm very sickly. Bad esophagus syndrome. This stinks like like hell. I gotta go home tonight, wrap myself up in a blanket. Notice he's got a hood on because in my contract I have to have my hair showing for all the videos. I don't know if you guys knew that. Alright, should I get back on the gas? Guys, no stunts today from Stuntman.
Hold on. Oh, it's got a little knockage. Knockage. It's not getting up in the revs like it was before. It might need more paint. Are we gonna have to say Toyota wins in this one?
Nah, you know what? You know your channel's a piece of crap when you can't blow a 4-cylinder motor when you're sick out in the rain.
You want here? Hold this camera to yourself.
The channel.
Hold on, hold on.
Quitting the channel.
I just don't trust. I smoke too much.
I'm quitting the channel again. Raining out here. Totally unnecessary. Totally unnecessary. Your mother didn't give you toys when you were a kid? Totally unnecessary. What, you know what? Is there a fire going? All right, listen, guys. Let me tell you what's going on. The used car wealth is very close. So many ways to make money. The traditional way of buying and selling, you will learn every detail of how we make money in this business for the last 30 years. It will change how you look at yourself. The fact that you can get rid of your 9 to 5, go out there, make money in the car business. You can make money with our systems, not even leaving your house. You use our national car buying network of car buyers, junkyards, everybody that will buy your car. All these different, ways that you can make money. It's phenomenal, and it literally is our network of.
What happened here?
Oh, he's bleeding, kid. Oh, he's bleeding.
You know you're manly when you don't even know you're bleeding. I mean, come on.
He's manly, right? Yeah, so anyway, so I'm sick out here. But anyways, just look out for it. We've been working on it like crazy. You literally are going, it's chock full of a ton of things that, you make money in the biz. Buy homes, support your families, and literally, trust me, without letting on to too much, I live a good life, okay? I joke around, ha 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 ha. But it's very good shit. Listen, over and out. I'm going to hand this off to cameraman. Everybody have a good weekend, all right?
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm bleeding away. Like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget, I don't know, I just don't even know what happened. Who cares? Don't forget, we're going to be changing lives out there, folks. We are out.